Welcome back to Cali Resin and Stuff. My name is Terry. I am a resin artist. I do love crafting with resin, but I also love stuff. And the stuff I'm going to talk about today is my lock maintenance or hair maintenance. I've been wearing a lot of hats lately because I just haven't had time to do my hair, but let me show you the work I have ahead of me. So this is what I've been hiding under here. It's time to touch up these roots. I am 46 years old. I am not ashamed of my age. I'm just not ready to embrace the look of gray hair. So I got some work to do here. When I was younger, I never had a lot of hair. My mother kept me and my sister in beads and braids, and when I reminisce on my childhood, I always smile or laugh when I think of how my sister had these long braids with like 10 to 12 beads on each braid, but me, I had about 3 or 4. It wasn't until I began my locks since my hair started growing. This will be the 3rd time that I've cut my hair since I've had them. I turned to YouTube to learn how to manage them, and then I recruited my mom. I started my mom's set, and I take care of hers as well. It's almost just too long to even style or wear the styles that I like. In the voice and words of Little John, yeah, okay. This by far is the most my hair has been unmanaged. I typically like to keep my hair length between 10 and 12 inches. This has been my go-to hair dye. However, I would like to try something more natural like henna. Dr. Bonner's is the only soap or shampoo that I use. Hey y'all, I'm black. I'm black, y'all. Last night after I washed and dyed my hair, it was just too late. It took longer than I expected it to take. So I was like, I'm just going to retwist in the morning. All right, I got my clips and I use the, I think you pronounce it Talia Wahid Lock It Up gel. I really like this gel. It's not really a lot of buildup, and I've been using this ever since I started my locks. Once I did make some gel out of flax seeds. I forgot where I got the recipe, but I took flax seeds, boiled them, and strained them with a stocking and scented it with peppermint oil. I conditioned my hair with a concoction of vitamin E oil, peppermint oil, odorless castor oil, and rose water. I let the gel dry for about an hour and then I remove my clips. The purpose of this channel is to uplift and inspire. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!